Well, here we are, guys. This is after hours on Wednesday. The Tilray stock is what I am sitting in. We did a video on Saturday about Tilray and where I thought it was going to head. And honestly, it went pretty much right where I thought it was going to go. Let me refresh this guy right here. And that $34 range was where I was hoping. And I did pretty well on that, actually. On Tuesday, sold out. Threw my money back in. Excuse me. Threw my money back in today. I bought it this morning, just after open, when it was down about 9% or so. So I'm into it for $5 grand in the $30 range per share, which I was pretty happy with. I watched it today. I'm going to go to the 5 minute here and look at where it went. We actually had a excuse me again. Had a pretty good day overall. I almost cashed out of it and ended up holding longer than I anticipated. But if you guys are out there following this or following Tilray or just interested at all in what's happening, and if you don't really know about much what's happening, is today they report their quarterly earnings. Hasn't been reported yet. Should be happening anytime right about now. And the stocks could go either way. Right now, it's holding pretty strong. We're trading up here after hours at 32. It's up 1.5%, 2%. It was just up about 4%. There's a good chance with solid momentum that this thing could open up again at $34, $35 tomorrow. Could get a runner up to 40. But I like to be somewhat realistic and say, let's just say it goes up 10 or 15%, which it could very easily do. That puts us at 34, $35, which would be awesome. I'd make a good profit off of that, not burn my day trade. So I'd like to know if you're out there and you're investing or playing the stock market game to make some extra money. What do you got tied up in it? What are you hoping to see? And how are you doing? Last year was a crazy year. I bet a good bit of money in some stocks. I lost a good bit of money in some options. Kind of went back and forth, for sure. And in the sense, I was probably down about $5 grand for the year because I YOLO'd some stuff, man. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm gonna bullshit you. I YOLO'd the hell out of some options. One of them paid out pretty well, some of them didn't, but I was kind of hanging tight here and just seeing what we had show up, if we had any earnings reports yet on it. So I am kind of curious as to whether or not it's out. I still don't see it yet. One thing that went kind of crazy while I'm waiting on that is ticker symbol LODE. Saw this go kind of wild today. I'm just going to type it in here because it's not on this list. Man, this thing was up $9, $10 today from two. It was up a solid like 300-400% at one point. I bought into this. I threw some money into this on Robinhood. It's acting like the Titanic right now, but who knows, man? We'll see. See what happens with that. I'm not really all that concerned about pulling that money out. So I hope you guys are making some money on here. And if you've checked out some of the crypto stuff that I made a video on, leave me a message on that as well. I was going to hang out here. I've still got some work to do. I'm at work right now, as I do actually have another job that I operate. And I kind of do this for some side money, little side hustle here on some stock and investing. But I was hoping that we would see it by now. I'm gonna pull up my stream here. Just have a quick look. Like I said, I'm not going to hang out forever, but man, why does that look backwards? Look backwards on here. See what pops up here. Still don't see it. No, we got wrong notification. Just let me know I'm still losing money. Unload over there. Why is this backwards? That's so crazy. Don't see why it would be. It's not backwards on my screen. Let's check our settings here. Oh, that looks fine. Well, it's still holding strong, man. It's looking like we might be okay today, honestly. You know, this number here, there we go. We're at 33, moving on up, starting to shoot up after hours. Definitely liking that. I don't know why this chart will not update. Let's just reset it. Nope, still doesn't care. It's very strange. But there we go. Look at her run. She's approaching 34. She's running good, man. We were down 9% for the day. We're about to squash that in after hours. So if you're holding in Robinhood or any of these other ones, man, you could easily ditch that for a quick little profit. So, all right, well, I'm going to get out of here. I've got some stuff to do. I'm going to check back on this later. So good luck to anybody out there who's holding the line. Hope you guys make a ton of money. Catch you later.